One of the really important skills in mathematics is to be able to rename numbers so they make it easy for you to work with. Let's take, for example, the number 123. If we can represent the number 123 with these blocks. This is a hundreds block, this is two tens blocks, and these are three ones blocks. If we were to write this number using digits, this is how we'd write it. We have 100, two tens, and 3 units. Now, there are other ways to actually write this, and it's important for children to actually understand that sometimes you write it as 100, two tens, and 3 ones. Other times we can change things so it actually makes it a whole lot easier for us to work with. So, to be able to write this number in another way, we can take our hundreds block and we can divide it up into tens. So if you divide 100 by 10, we end up with 10 tens. Now, we still have the original 2 that we started with, plus the extra 10 tens. So we now have 12 tens, we still have 3 units, and we have no hundreds. So we can write this number, the same number, as either 123 or 12 tens and 3. Now we can write this number another way as well. We can take one of our tens and we can split them up into units. We split that up into 10 units. So now, instead of the 12 tens that we originally had, we now have 11 tens. We still have no hundreds, but we have an extra 10 units plus our original 3 units. So we could have 13 units. So another way of writing the number 123 is 0 hundreds, 11 tens, and 13 units. Students need to practice the skill of renaming in order to be able to understand what they're doing in addition and subtraction. They need to be able to visualize what's happening here in their head so they get the answers correct, and also so they can understand what they're doing.